In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the export location for Clipchamp videos. Whether you're new to video editing or a seasoned creator, managing your file storage is crucial for maintaining an organized workspace. This tutorial will guide you through the steps needed to adjust your storage location on Windows, as Clipchamp doesn't directly offer this feature. First, it's important to note that Clipchamp as of now doesn't have an integrated option to directly change where your exported files are stored. This may feel a bit limiting, but don't worry, there's a straightforward workaround using Windows settings to guide the exported files to a preferred location. Let's start by heading over to the Windows Start menu. You'll find it at the bottom left corner of your screen. The familiar Windows icon is your gate to all your system's features and settings. Click on that icon and you'll see a range of applications and options. What we're looking for is the Settings application, typically indicated by a gear icon. Once you're in Settings, direct your attention to the System option. Clicking on System opens up a series of settings related to your computer's general operations, such as notifications, power, and crucially, storage, the setting we're interested in today. Next up, navigate your way to Storage. You'll discover this in the menu on the left side. Clicking Storage gives you a detailed overview of your drive's usage and additional storage settings. It's a handy way to stay on top of what's consuming the most space on your devices. Now focus on finding and opening advanced storage settings. Within this section, navigate to where new content is saved. This option allows you to designate default save locations for different types of content, which is integral to our goal here. With where new content is saved open, you will see various categories like new apps, documents, music, and importantly for us, photos and videos. Go ahead and change the storage location for photos and videos to your desired drive. This adjustment will make sure that when you're exporting videos from Clipchamp, they head directly to the designated location. And that's it. Following these steps will ensure a seamless and organized export process from Clipchamp without the complexity of managing files individually each time you export. Enjoy the efficiency of having your videos right where you need them, saving you valuable time and energy. If you have any questions or need further clarification on these steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe